Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking empanadas. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, onions, carrots, green peas, potato. We have ground pork, eggs, sweet Chinese sausage, raisins, and we got also oyster sauce, salt and pepper, sugar, soy sauce, olive oil, and a little water here. So let's proceed to cooking. Now let's put olive oil. Alright. Let's saute this for a minute, and then we're gonna add the ground pork. We're gonna let the ground pork to be a little bit brownish. We'll put the ground pork. There we go. And now we'll check our ground pork. Wow, it's brown now. This time we're gonna put the Chinese sausage and we're gonna mix it a little bit. Now we will add a little of soy sauce and oyster sauce. Alright, and at this point we can also add our vegetables, the carrots and potatoes. Okay. It's beautiful. Now let's check our pork here. Oh, it's beautiful. Now we're gonna add our green peas. And then we'll mix it again, and we can add our raisins. There you go. And then we're gonna mix it some more. You can also add a little of salt to taste and a little of pepper. Alright, and a dust of sugar. Alright, so we're gonna let this dry a little. Now we will do the dough for our empanada. So this is a 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, like this. All right, we're gonna mix it well. Mix it well, and then we're gonna add our butter. There you go. This is like 1.5 stick butter. So there you go. And then we will mix them together. Let's mash it. There you go. Let's mash it real good. All right. And then after that, we can mix our egg with it. 2 eggs, fine. There you go. And then we're gonna mix it again. This time we will use our mixer, so it will be a lot easier to form a dough. Okay, so all right, we will use our mixer right here. Okay, there you go. And then turn it on. And then once in a while, we're gonna put cold water, real cold water, like spoon it, 1 tablespoon at a time. There you go. And then in a few minutes, we're gonna have a dough. We'll be right back. Now here's our dough from the mixer. So we form a ball here, and we will cut this in half. We're gonna form two balls. Okay. And again, we're gonna keep this into a colder place for 30 minutes before we roll this out. All right. So now here's our dough. We're gonna roll it out to make it thin, and then we'll cut it. We'll cut it round and to make a shape of a empanada. Now here's our dough. It's flattened, and we're gonna make round shapes. Like we're gonna make round shapes like this using a bowl. Okay, so like that. Okay, and we're gonna use this for the ensaymada wrapper, right? Oh, sorry, the empanada wrapper. Okay, and then the rest we can make some more. Now I'll show you how to do the stuffing. Just put 1 spoonful. Okay, and we can put cream cheese. There you go. There you go. Okay, and then we can add egg. Just a little slice of egg here. Okay, and then we can apply water on the side, so that will seal the edges. Now pick it up both sides, meet in the middle, and pinch it on the edges. All right, and then you use a fork to seal the edge. Put pressure on the edge like that, and that's how you seal the eggs. So this is our empanadas, and you can cook. Now here is the empanada that we just stuffed. Now you have the choice of deep frying this or putting this in the oven. If you're gonna put this in the oven, you have to do 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes until it's brown. But before you put it in the oven, egg wash it, brush egg white on the outside before you put it in the oven. So it will, the result will be shiny and it will look a lot better. So here is the other stuff that we did a while ago. So we're gonna finish this to stuff all this, and we'll be right back with you. Now we are deep frying the this will take a couple of minutes until it's brown, and then we'll show you the finished product. Here is the finished product, empanadas.